like the guitar sounds like a air raid siren coming in, just like, yo, monster out. Good evening, ladies and gents, and welcome back to Brain Dead Breakdown. And today we're back with Spiritbox. We've been on a bit of a sleep token kick over the last few videos, and we've been doing Slaughter to Prevail as well, and a couple of other artists. But we're back with Spiritbox today. Soon we're going to be looking at some more. We got a comment about the song Hysteria in the last video, so that is what we're going with today. Just going straight with Hysteria. Let's get on with it. Good beat, straight away. I like the riff as well. Right, so it's very Spiritbox so far. They seem to have a sound. The songs I have heard by this band so far, they all kind of fit within the same realm. You know, like they definitely have a sound that they go for in their music, and they're achieving it because I heard this, and as soon as that, it's like, and then like just straight away I was like, and obviously her voice very much helps with that, because you know it's this part of the sound, but no, I'm enjoying it so far. This is another good one from Spiritbox. Let's continue. Catchy chorus. That is a catchy chorus. Let's go back. Let's run that back, actually. Hold on. See, I like the vocal melody. It didn't go where I thought it was going to go, because it goes. See, I thought it would repeat again. The melody, like, just I thought the melody, I thought there'd be another high and then maybe a variation on the second part before going into this. But so it took me by surprise a little bit. The melody didn't go exactly where I was expecting, but I'm not saying that's bad. I'm just being honest. Let's carry on. I like that echoey, delay, reverby, clean guitar. Yeah, I like that. It just adds a bit more. See, because in the first one you had the riff that was having its EQ shifted, you know, like and then coming in and being out for a bit, and then in heavier and then out. Whereas this one they've mellowed the vibe a little bit by just. You got the bass still, like the drums like pushing the song through, and then like the bass as well helping to push it through. But just that haunting, clean picked guitar line with delay, reverb, and whatnot on it, I like. Yes, mates. That build, man. Oh, yeah, that was good. I fucking enjoyed that. All right, hold on. Let's roll that back. I need to go that again. All right. I need to turn that up in my headphones. It won't turn up for you guys, but it'll turn up in my headphones. Okay, right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and like that. There we go. That was a definite like, but we're rolling it back again because I need to talk about this whole section for a minute. So I also need to turn it back down in my headphones because I turned it up to listen to it at the end there and I can't hear myself talk. So right, there we go. So I talked about the clean guitar I liked, and I just the song. It was a normal song for most of it, you know, like a melodic and just, you know, like a song you'd hear on rock radio maybe. But then obviously it gets to this bit. Where is it? It's about here, and it starts building. Drums start building more, vocals come in. And the guitar sounds like a fucking, what is it? The war signal, the war alarm, like the air raid siren. Like, it's like the guitar sounds like a fucking air raid siren coming in, just like, yo, mosh the fuck out. You know, it's just like, yeah, I like that. I enjoyed that a lot. Right? Let's go again. Yes. Air raid siren, I love it. Great. I love that. Fucking is nice. I like. Well, that was Hysteria, and that was really good. I think that might be up there with Jaded. As I'm not gonna say whether it's my favorite or not. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure, but I really enjoyed that, and it's definitely up there. Like, so the Spiritbox just seems to have a level, you know, like there's just a level so far. And I haven't listened to many of their songs. All the songs I've listened to of theirs are on the channel in reaction form already. But what I have listened to, there seems to be a bar of quality for this band, and I'm here for it, mate. I'm here for it. I'm enjoying this, and we're gonna carry it on. And I'm sure there's gonna be more bangers in my future when it comes to Spiritbox. Hell yeah. Anyway, ladies and gents, I have been Braindead. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Comment if you'd like to discuss with me, subscribe for more content like this, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.